Good morning, one and all. Now, in today's class, we'll be studying about what are the measures taken for small scale industry. Now, in previous class, we had studied about what do you mean by small scale industry and what are the problems faced by small scale industry. Small scale industry means what? Investment is less and number of workers are less or limited in a small scale industry. And we had seen about what all problems had been faced by the small scale industry. Means there was lack of finance, raw materials, marketing facilities were there. Okay, like that way many problems were being faced by small scale industry. Now when we compare a small scale industry and a large scale industry, okay, in a small scale industry we see that technology is less, okay, investment or capital is less and number of workers are also less and limited in a small scale industry. But as compared to that in a large scale industry which is there, number of workers are more, capital investment is more in a large scale industry. Okay. Now let us see for those problems what measures are being taken by the government in order to solve these problems for the small scale industry. In that first one is what? Institutional arrangement. Now there are various institutions which also help for the contribution of the small scale industry. Now which institutions are there? Okay, like there is DIC, okay, then CIDO is there. Various institutions we have already studied in the second module. Okay, District Industries Center can be there, okay, or SFC, State Financial Corporation, or Small Industries Development Organization. Okay, like that way many institutions are there which will provide a source of help for the improvement or development of small scale industries. Okay, so institutional arrangement, there are different institutions which play a role for the development of the small scale industries, that is called as a institutional arrangement. Now when we speak about the SFC or State Financial Corporation, how they will provide a source of finance in order to provide finance to the small scale industries, okay, or Small Industries Development Organization. Okay, this institution also will play a vital role in order to develop the small scale industries, maybe in the technology wise, okay, or maybe how their growth and development can happen. Then next one is financial help. As we have seen that, okay, in the small scale industry the problem basically is what it was been faced as what? Lack of finance. So in order to prevent this problem which was there, that is financial help, means government will provide a source of providing financial help to the small scale industries, because finance at least is the lifeblood of the organization. Without finance or without money an industry cannot run. Okay, so how much financial help can be given to the small scale industry so that also they can be progress or develop themselves. Okay, then next one is industrial estate. Now what do you mean by industrial estate? Now government will provide some different industries which are there, okay, and based on the different industries, okay, then other facilities also will be provided along with the industries. Means what all other infrastructure facilities will also be provided to the small scale industries. That measure also has been taken by the government. The next one is marketing facilities. Now what do you mean by marketing facilities? Now there was a problem of also the marketing. There was no proper advertisement or sales promotional activities which is there. Okay, now for this marketing facilities also enough money or funds have been required, especially when we want to do the advertisement or sales promotion or different banners, pamphlets are to be there. Okay, so here this small scale industry is lacking in all these things. Okay, so they will also provide a source of help in improvement in the marketing facilities. Means there should be a proper advertisement, providing proper advertisement facilities. When any, now you just imagine that when small scale industry they have manufactured something new product. Okay, so how this new product should be brought in the market? The customers will be unaware. The customers may not be knowing about this new product which is there. Unless and until proper advertisement or promotion has been done, that time only the customers will come to understand that these products has come in the market. So because of that only there should be proper advertisement. Okay, so for that only improvement should be done in the marketing facilities, advertisement and sales promotion. Then next one is facilitative measures. Apart from the advertising and sales promotion, what other measures also can be taken? Now for example, which other facilitative measures are there, like providing proper power supply, okay, drinking water facilities which are there, okay, and there should be proper supply of power, electricity, proper drinking water facilities. That way other measures should be undertaken. The next one is improvement in techniques and adoption of modern technology. Now since the small scale industries are using the old and obsolete technology, they should bring some improvement in the techniques, improvement in the technique of production, okay, or if they are using the old technology, how they can try to bring some new technology, new modern technology. So there should be some adoption of the modern technology which is there nowadays, because of the science and technology has been changing, okay. So small scale industry should also try to adopt themselves with the modern techniques and modern technology. The next one is training and development. Training and development facilities should be given to the small scale industries, okay, the entrepreneurs who are there, okay, and also the employees who are working in the small scale industry. For them also training and development facility should be provided, so that also they can be properly trained enough, okay, so that they can do the work properly. The next one is regular supply of raw materials. Now this government also will make some arrangement of the measures like, okay, providing regular supply of raw materials. Means suppose raw materials are the basic requirement or the basic part, okay, in order to manufacture any kind of the product. So they need to try to supply regularly the raw materials which are being required. So these are the measures taken for small scale industry. Now just briefly we'll understand about that. Institutional arrangement, how they will make the various institutions which are there, okay, for example DIC is there, SFC, Small Industries Development Organization, like that way many or various institutions are there. They will provide a help for improvement in the small scale industry. Then financial help. Now the small scale industries are facing the problem of finance, there is lack of finance. So how they can try to provide the financial help or financial support to the small scale industry, so that even the small scale industry can grow and develop themselves. Then industrial estate, means the whole estate which is their whole industry area will be provided for the small scale industries, along with other facilities which have been available, like other infrastructural facilities. Then marketing facilities. Now if they are facing the problem of marketing facilities, like there is no proper advertisement and sales promotion activities, okay, so because of that, how improvement can be done for proper advertisement and promotion. Then facilitative measures. Apart from this marketing, what other measures can be undertaken by the government? They should provide proper power supply, electricity supply, okay, then proper availability of drinking water facilities and other facilities available. Then improvement in techniques and adoption of modern technology. Nowadays, because of the advancement in science and technology, okay, the things have been changing. So small scale industries also should try to develop and adopt themselves to the modern technology. Then training and development. Now there should be training and development program facilities provided to the small scale industries, so that during this training program even they can develop their skills and ability. Then regular supply of raw materials. Now as you already know that raw material is the basic requirement in order to start or manufacture any kind of the product. So regularly they need to supply the raw materials. So these are the measures taken for the small scale industry, which were studied what problems were the small scale industry had faced. So in order to that, how to solve these problems, for that these measures have been undertaken, so that these problems of the small scale industry can be solved. Thank you.